Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today we're showcasing two Catalyst products for the Apple Watch. This is for the Apple Watch 7 and the screen cover for the Apple Watch 7. This is a full case and watch band set right here. This is a hardened plastic. I like that idea more because when you nick metal when you're wearing an Apple Watch, you sometimes get the base metal and it scratches color. This is the color all the way through, and this is a nice band, soft TPU-like material. It can survive 10-foot drops. It's very good for the Apple Watch 7, and this is for the 45mm. This over here is a TPU screen cover for the 41mm Series 7. Here it is. It comes in a 2-pack and everything that you need to cover your Apple Watch screen. I like the TPU covers a little bit more than glass because I've nicked the glass before, and then you have glass shards and then you have to get it replaced. The TPU cover can take a good amount of hits and still be all together. This also has pretty good vents. There's 200 of them, so if you're working out a lot, this can be important for running or climbing or whatever you want to do with your Apple Watch 7. And you can get these both now from Catalyst. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.